Are you ready? Let's get making. For this project, you'll need a tote bag. I liked black, but any color would work. Figure out your charm placement by placing jump rings where you want them and then mark the placement. Get some lobster claws and chain from John Bead. I'll leave links for everything I used in the description. Cut small lengths of chain, open one link and add the lobster claw to it. For my charms, I'm using the super cute line of beads from John Bead, plus their Sweet and Petite charms and Crystal Lane faceted rondelles. On a head pin, add a pearl, then a super cute bead, then a crystal bead, clip the head pin and bend a loop. Do this with all of the charms, and then add each one to the end of your lobster claw and chain. The concept of charms originated in prehistoric times with talismans of bone and shell to ward off evil, evolving through ancient civilizations like Egypt and Rome for protection and religious identification. Now I need to attach the jump rings to the bag. Since this bag is very thick, I'm going to put jump rings on a head pin, push it through the bag, and bend a loop on the inside. You could stitch it if it's a thin fabric tote. The history of the tote bag began with the word tote from the Kakongo word tota, meaning to carry, gaining popularity in the 17th century. Once you're finished attaching all of the jump rings, you can start hanging your charms. Add more beads if you want a fuller look like I did here. There you have it, my charm bag. Use this technique on a jean jacket or a fun scarf and let me know what you think in the comments, okay? I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.